Hello everyone, let's talk about one important topic for marketing or whenever we are in college or somewhere we have to cover some project or we have to make some projects. So we always look for various topics on which we can make a project. So let's discuss about these topics or say marketing topics on which we can make our project or on which we can work for the long run to to make a good file for our major project. I would recommend these topics especially for major projects, because if I talk about minor, so you can take small startups or small topics based on marketing. You can stick to any small or say simple say segmentation or cost leadership kind of like topics, or say competitive advantage, and then you can cover the three things: focus, cost leadership, and finally differentiation. Then you can cover all these three things in one topic, that is competitive advantage. So minor project is very simple that we can easily get topic and we can work on. But when I talk about major projects, so we always look for a lot of topics where we have to implement a lot of strategies, and then we will be doing everything, doing researching, and will be getting some reading some articles, and we have to share or say add the article links on our project. So let's talk about these topics that you can use to work for your major project. So first is role of advertising in motivating consumer brand preference for beverages in Nigeria. Nigeria, because you can get lot of companies where like you can find these kind of perks. So if you are preferring Nigeria, that's great, and also you can focus on India too, because there would be a lot of companies who are working for say beverages or food drinks kind of thing. So if you are in some you are working with say Swiggy or Zomato, then you can focus in role of advertising in motivating consumer brand preference kind of topics. So you can cover and you can make one nice nice say file or your major project. You can also do good report or make some good report for the same topic. Let's talk about some other topics. So second is social media marketing for a startup. So when it says social media marketing, I am not saying to generalize the topic, but I would say that you should personalize every social media platform. So it's not like you will be using same strategies, same tactics on every social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, but we need to think differently when it comes to different social media platforms. So you should mention each and every social media platform, and based on that you should write all the strategies that you will be using. And it's not like you will be writing it without implementing it. I would say do internship from some small companies, and then use some strategies of yours or say tactics on a daily basis that works, and if it works out, then you can nicely mention in your project. Next is email marketing for a big firm. So I am saying big firm because like mostly small companies or say MS, even MSME you can take. So small companies don't prefer email marketing because they have very less number of connections. So they can normally send message templates to them. But when it comes to big firms, so they would have like a lot of contacts like millions or say 10 lakh 20 lakh. So there you need to do email marketing because you have to cover all those customers or clients. So yeah, email marketing is also a good topic, but when you are looking for big firm like Flipkart, Myntra, then only you can do you can take this topic for your major project. Next is relevance of marketing segmentation in the effective marketing of cosmetic product. So segmentation in the sense, when I talk about cosmetic products, so again you can you can break cosmetic products in different sections, and segment cosmetic is a different segment. So we talk about clothing, we talk about footwear and all. So when we talk about, or say when I talk about cosmetics, so it's a different product segment. And if I talk about target audience for cosmetics, so you won't target men, you can, but for only a few products. But when it comes to women, so cosmetic products are mainly for women. So if you are targeting women and you are doing good like research and everything like report and whatever strategies you can use to attract women for your products and all these things, so then you can make good major project for this topic. And the topic is relevance of marketing segmentation in the effective marketing of cosmetic products. Next is the impact of sales promotion on the purchasing of consumer product. That's also a good topic. If you search for consumer product, say consumer behavior, then you can get to know a lot of things, and on these topics you can make a nice report, and also you can do or you can work for your major project. Next is impact of marketing research in achieving organizational goal. So yeah, what and all marketing research you have done to achieve your organizational goal. So that would be a big topic, because it's not like you are doing one research or two research, that's it, but you have to do lot of research where you can get from where, and suppose you have done around 50 to 100 researches, and from each of these research you have got some insights. So you will be merging all these insights, and then you will be coming up with one strategy, one proper strategy that will be working for your organization for the long run. Next is effect of advertising on brand performance. So yeah, that's also good. If I am running some ad for one startup company, maybe it won't be that much impactful that can attract a lot of audience. But when I am doing when I am doing advertisement with some brand which is very known, say Myntra, Flipkart, Google, then a lot of people will be coming up and they will be clicking, and like my CTC, like CPA, these things will be increasing, and I need to pay for these things. So yeah, when you are doing advertisement with some brand product or brand company, then you can get a lot of attention from audience. Next is strategies to use for digital marketing for a particular company. It's not like you are writing XYZ, because there would be a lot of companies. You can't generalize one project. You have to touch, or you have to select one company, and then based on that company, you will be using your marketing strategy, your marketing tactics, and then you will be doing your research, or then you will be making your major project. So, firstly, you should have one company that on which you will be doing your major project. Next is the impact of marketing strategy on the productivity of an organization. So yeah, whatever strategies you are making, how are these strategy helping your organization to become more productive? So yeah, these are the topics that you can cover for covering, or say for making your major project. And yes, we'll be coming soon in the next video with other set of marketing topics, or maybe English words. So stay tuned, and if you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and let me know if you want me to come up with any video. I will be covering that video too. And if you have any kind of doubt, please comment down, and I will try my best to clear your doubt. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll be coming soon in my next video. Bye.